Hello students. In electrolysis chapter, we already discussed the weak electrolyte and strong electrolyte. Strong electrolyte, there are example of strong acid, strong base, and some salt, which are completely ionized or dissociate into ions. It only forms ions. It only forms ions. Then it is a called as strong electrolyte. It is called as strong electrolyte. And some weak acid, weak base, and some salt, which are partially or incompletely dissociate into ions. Then it is a poor conductor of electricity, and it is a form ions as well as molecules. Then it is an example of weak electrolyte. Now electrochemical cell. Electrochemical cell is a device which are used to convert chemical energy chemical energy into electrical energy. The chemical energy converted into electric energy, it is known as a electrochemical cell. Now electrode, there are two types of electrode. First one is anode, another is cathode. Anode is positive charge, anode is positive charge, and cathode is negative charge. Anode is positive charge and cathode is negative charge. Anode is electrode connected to the positive pole. Anode is electrode connected to positive pole then of the battery is called as anode. And cathode is electrode connected to the negative pole of the battery, then it is called as cathode. Anode connect to positive pole and cathode connect to negative pole, means anode is positive and cathode is negative. This is an example of electrode. There are two types. Suppose example, there is carbon graphite rod, carbon rod, which are example of the cathode, and metal plates, wires, it is an example of anode. In this, both immerse in the electrolyte through the current enter. Both are immersed in the electrolyte and through which current enter and leaves the electrolytic cell. Then it is called as electrode. The both cathode and anode are immersed into the electrolytes which the current enter and leave the electrolytic cell. Then it is called as electrode. Now difference between anode and cathode. Already we discussed anode, electrode connected to the positive terminal of the battery. Electrode connect to the positive terminal of the battery. And cathode, electrode connect to the negative terminal of the battery. Positive pole means anode, negative pole means cathode. Now anode is positive pole, then anion migrate to anode, anion migrate to anode. Now anion, it is a negative charge. Anion is negative charge and negative charge migrate to anode. Anode means positive terminal. Now cathode. In cathode, cation migrate to cathode. Now cation means it is a positive charge. Cation means it is a positive charge. Then it migrate to cathode. Now in this cathode, it is a negative charge terminal, a negative terminal of the battery. Cathode is negative terminal of the battery, and cation, it is a positive charge. Now next, third, anion are oxidized. Anion are oxidized. Oxidize means oxidation takes place. Oxidation means loss of electron. Now cathode. Cation are reduction. Cation are reduction. Reduction means gain of electron. Reduction means gain of electron. Now we discuss the anode and cathode. Cathode is positive terminal of the battery. Anode is positive terminal of the battery and cathode is negative terminal of the battery. Anode, anion migrate to anode, cation migrate to cathode. Anion are oxidized, cation are reduced. It is a difference between anode and cathode. Now anion, it is atom or groups which carry positive charge. The positive charge means cation and negative charge carry means anion. Then it is called as ion. Now students, electrolytic cell. Electrolytic cell means electrical energy converted into chemical energy. Electrical energy converted into chemical energy. Now this is a diagram of electrolytic cell. In this, electrical energy converted into chemical energy. In this vessel, electrolysis carried out. In this process, in this vessel, electrolysis carried out. Oxidation means, definition of oxidation means loss of electron. Oxidation means loss of electron. Oxidation means loss of electron. Next definition, increase oxygen content. Increase oxygen content. Increase oxygen content and decrease hydrogen content. Decrease hydrogen content. Decrease hydrogen content. Next definition, addition of oxygen and removal of hydrogen. It is a definition of oxidation. Addition of oxygen and removal of hydrogen. Now first, addition of oxygen, carbon with O2 to give carbon dioxide. Now increase oxygen content or addition of oxygen. Then this process is known as a oxidation and it form oxide, carbon dioxide. Same another, magnesium plus O2 to give magnesium oxide, MgO, 2 times. In this also oxidation takes place, means addition of oxygen. Now oxidation means loss of electron. Now suppose zinc, it current to Zn plus 2 ion, means there are 2 loss of electron. There are 2 loss of electron, means oxidation takes place. It increase the oxidation number. Now zinc has 0 oxidation number and Zn plus 2 having 2 plus 2 electron. Therefore it is a increased oxidation number. Then this reaction it is an example of oxidation. Zn current into Zn plus 2, in that loss of 2 electron. In that loss of 2 electron. Same kind of another example. Now sodium, it current to Na plus, means it loss of 1 electron. This Na converted to Na plus ion. In this reaction oxidation takes place. Oxidation means loss of electron. Next, Fe plus 2 converted into Fe plus 3. In this also loss of electron, means it is oxidation. Then oxidation number increase from +2 to +3. This is oxidation process, means loss of electron or increase oxidation number, +2 convert into +3. Next, removal of hydrogen, means oxidation process. Suppose hydrogen sulfide react with chlorine gas. In this, hydrogen sulfide oxidize to give sulfur. In that elimination or loss of hydrogen, then 2 times HCl as a byproduct. This is the oxidation process. In this, removal of hydrogen and hydrogen sulfide convert into sulfur. This is the oxidation process. Hydrogen sulfide convert into sulfur. This is oxidation. Removal of hydrogen. When process addition of oxygen and removal of hydrogen, the process is oxidation. The process is oxidation. Now reduction. Reduction is gain of electron, addition of hydrogen and removal of oxygen. Addition of hydrogen and removal of oxygen. This process is called as reduction. In this, oxidation number decrease. In this process, oxidation number decrease. First definition, gain of electron. Second definition, addition of hydrogen content or addition of hydrogen, addition of hydrogen and removal of oxygen or decrease oxygen content, then this process is known as a reduction. Now Fe plus 3 plus 3 convert into Fe plus 2, means oxidation number decrease. Then this process having gain of 1 electron and plus 3 convert into plus 2. This is an example of reduction. Fe plus 3 convert into Fe plus 2. Now copper plus 2, it convert into copper. There are plus 2, then it required 2 electron, means gain of 2 electron, plus 2 minus 2, then it give Cu, means it oxidation plus 2 state and it is a 0. Then in this process gain of 2 electron, means it is a reduction, plus 2 convert into 0, Cu 0. Now next example, Sn plus 2, then it having gain of 2 electron, then it convert into Sn. This is another example of reduction. Now we discuss the addition of hydrogen reaction. In this reaction, Cl2 plus H2S, chlorine is reduced to hydrogen chloride, means gain of hydrogen, means addition of hydrogen, and 2 times, sorry students, it gives 2 times HCl and sulfur. It is a 2 times HCl. In this, chlorine reduced to HCl, means gain of electron. Now oxidation state of chlorine is 0 and Cl is it is a -1, means in this process oxidation number decrease. In this method or process, oxidation number decrease, means it is a reduction process. Or also directly from in this addition of hydrogen takes place, therefore it is an example of reduction.